Hello, my friend. Recently, I discovered a unique service and couldn't wait to tell you about it. It's a new twist on techniques used by top internet marketers, one that involves video conferencing. Here's how I've seen it used in the past. Some marketers keep it simple. They invite their email subscribers to sign up for a free online event, such as a webinar, training session, or product demo. Other marketers make it more interesting. They design a sideways sales letter, a drip campaign delivering fresh content every few days. One message is text, another might be video, another links to a landing page. The eventual CTA is the same: sign up for their free webinar. What's their goal? Getting face to face with prospects. Now, I like to find out what's new, so I enjoy receiving this type of campaign. And if the drip content is interesting, I sign up for the webinar. We all know the webinar will end with a sales offer. And I admit, sometimes I buy. No, not every time. But the format gives me all the information I need. Then I can make a decision that's right for me. I've always wanted to try this approach, but it sounds complicated, right? I'd have to manage my contacts in multiple systems. And then there's the expense. When you combine landing pages, email marketing, video conferencing, and external tools from various providers, it can cost upwards of $250 a month. Then I discovered an innovative approach. I would like to share it with you. Look in the description for a link and contact me.